How to fade out video in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fade out video in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva and simply go to any project that you want. So I'll be using this video right here to fade it out. I'll be using the second video. I'll remove the first one. I'll do that again. Okay, so let's say that I want to blend or fade out this video. For that, I'll need to add another canvas right besides it or a page. And there I'll need to change this color to black. Now you can choose whichever color suits the fade out the most. For this video, black's the best. So on the middle, add a transition. Tap on add transition and use the dissolve transition right there. So choose dissolve and increase the duration so that it looks good. So increase the duration according to your taste. And now if you play the video, you'll notice the fade out. So let's play this. Let me play this again. Okay. So there we go. And that is how you can fade out video in Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.